Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add notes on Instagram Reels or post. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Now users can add tiny floating notes bubbles which disappears in 3 days unless deleted on top of videos and photos. The somewhat hidden notes appear above comment section and have a customizable audience. Users can choose who can see their note on posts, like only their close friends or followers that follow them back, which means the feature is well suited for those inside joke or personal opinions you may not want to appear on public comment section. So how to do it? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can choose reels or posts that you want to add the note. For the example, I will choose this reels. You can tap on the share icon here. You will see there is an option 8 note beside the share. You can tap on that. You can add your note. You can choose. You can share with followers that you follow back, or you can share it to your close friends. I will share it to my followers that I follow back. Now you can tap on share. So here's your notes. Only your friend can see them, and these notes are temporary after 3 days. And you can add like this. You can tap on your note like this, and your friends will see your notes like this. If they see this reels, they can see your notes. You can also add notes to post. For the example, I will choose this post. You can tap on the share icon, tap on add note, and you can add your note. Tap on share, and here's your notes. So simple, right? So that is how to add notes on Instagram Reels or posts. This is a new feature from Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.